Hello there. So, you want to replace the side light bulb on a Nissan Primera P12. Well, good news, there's no need to pay a mechanic to do it for you. It's a quick, easy job that you can do at home and I'll show you how. Grab a pen. And a new bulb. Welcome to Car Spy TV, where we discuss buying, driving, maintaining and selling cars, because it's interesting. Okay, let's take a moment to recap the basics. The side lights, which are also known as parking lights, are these small, low-powered lights at the front of your car. So, we're not talking about your headlights, main beams or indicators. We're talking about these small lights that the highway code says we should leave on at night when parked in certain conditions. Okay, let's replace the side light bulb on the right of my Nissan Primera P12. To get started, turn the engine off and open the bonnet. Now, as with most modern cars, the engine bay is crowded, so it's difficult to get to the bulb without scraping your knuckles unless you have tiny, tiny hands. I don't, so I'm expecting blood. However, you can make a bit more space by removing the guide pipe for the windscreen washer reservoir. Here's a photo. To remove the pipe, take off its cover. And now twist it anti-clockwise, then pull. Now look at the back of the headlamp for a long, thin piece of white plastic which is part of the bulb holder. Here's a photo. The bulb holder has to be removed, so twist it clockwise, then pull. Now grip the broken bulb between your fingers and pull it straight out. This is what it looks like, and it's a 5 watt. Now push the new bulb into the holder. Next, push the bulb through the relevant hole in the back of the headlamp, then twist it anti-clockwise. Now's the time to replace the guide pipe. Note that it has these locating lugs. The lugs slide into these slots on the part of the pipe that we didn't remove. So, insert the guide pipe, then twist it clockwise. And finally, test the bulb. There's a quick final point to consider. The procedure is slightly different if you want to replace the side light on the left of a Nissan Primera P12. Clearly, for starters, there's no guide pipe to remove the windscreen washer reservoir. More significantly, you twist the bulb holder in the opposite directions to loosen and tighten it. So, twist it left to remove it, then right to replace it. That's it, job done. We've successfully changed the side light. Before you go, do me a favour and subscribe to the channel. It's free, and click like on this video. Leave a comment too. Are your hands small enough to change a bulb without wrecking your knuckles? Anyway, that's all for now. I need a doctor.